Sit ka down. Picture mo na, baka mamaya yun yung maging mapangasawa ni Sid. Nasaan na tayo, Sid?
Tayo!
Sid, ayun na! Ayan, parking this way.
Hindi.
I see a butterfly.
Thank you. Pinasa to. Thank you. Yeah, butterfly stop!
How about dinosaur?
Finally! Sid, ayun na yung siklat dyan!
Hanggang dun lang. Dali, for the video.
Hari ko, madulas. Okay po. Let's take a picture here.
Sa logo ng Instagram.
What?
20 lang.
Later, we take picture muna. Here. Wow! Go!
Spider, it's a... Si Kuya, alam niya
Sir, dali yan.
What's that?
20 lang spider.
Tarantula.
Oh, go, go, go! You want to touch it?
Kabisado yung wala touch it.
I don't want to
It's not scary. Oh.
Yeah, rubber. So, you want to touch it? You want? Oh, okay.
I cannot touch it.
Diba? It's only a rubber.
Daddy, love you. I don't want to touch
Oh, yes.
Alam niya.
Naparod niya na.
Ano sila naman na-memorize?
Mga 100 times na.
What is that?
I need to have fun.
What's the name of that?
Labrador.
Labidura. Or in
Yeah,
short,
interesting.
that's a earwig.
What are you doing?
Earwig.
Go inside our
Here.
ears.
You are
Ah.
One of the smallest insects.
you're genius in here.
Once po na nakapasok po sa kanya po natin kaya sirain pang airdrop.
Mm.
Genius.
So that is the Labidura japonica dihaan. Or in short, earwig. Kala ko
Ayun siya, oh, Teo, yung maliit. Tapos may parang gano'n siya sa...
No. I don't like the picture.
Oh, let's go! Next naman? Ano kaya ang next?
Feeling ko pati dinosaur memorize niya.
Ito lang yung ano niya eh. May siya sa insect ngayon eh.
That is the walking stick.
A walking stick.
Ano po yung insekto po na kaya niya po magkamuflage?
Hi, walking stick.
Here, Sid, on the side.
Once po na naputol yung isa or dalawang legs po ng mga walking stick in real life, isa po siya nagre-regenerate yung tubo po siya.
The walking stick is also like it's visible in the stick.
Yes po, it can be
You know
camouflage in
yung
real life.
basa po naman.
Huh?
Yes po, exactly.
And some people cannot be scared of it.
Yes.
Where are you going? Oh, careful ha, no running, madulas. Ay, nako, kakasabi ko lang.
How about the green one? How about the green one? How about the green one? What's that? This one, the green one. What's that?
Longhorn grasshopper.
Longhorn grasshopper. Or this one is?
A round
Catfish. And
Is
how
that
about
your
this one?
favorite?
It's a
house.
house. It's a habit.
Do you want to go inside, Sid? Sid, wait lang.
Oh, look, oh, we
Ay.
have living insect. Oh.
Hala,
Ted, picture ka na sa ano? Grasshopper picture kami here.
hindi ka naman take picture sa mga ano.
Picture. 1, 2, smile.
Smile, Sid.
Praying mantis.
Smile.
No, yun.
Ay, cockroach lang.
Sa cockroach daw siya. Take a picture with the habit house. Okay.
Kalaban, ang daming kalaban daw.
Smile, smile, smile. Smile. Ay. Ay, mo ka. Smile, Sid. Ba't ka na ayaw mag-focus? 1, 2, 3, go.
What's that, kuya?
There's spiders.
Spider.
Spiderweb.
Piano garden spider.
Spiderweb.
Spider. Let's sabit ka sa web.
Spider. Spider.
Bit.
Hey! Oh, what are you doing with that?
It's a giant beetle.
It's a giant beetle.
Yeah, it's a giant beetle. Oh, look.
Ah!
Ay, yung gaya yung mga ano. Mga sound.
Oh, what's that?
Ay, na yung gaya niya sound.
I hate flies. They keep on doing the flies in the jungle.
Yes. You want to see the real insect? You what? Okay. Oh, let's go to the insect museum.
Ay.
No, you don't want?
I like them.
Oh, what's that?
It's a bee. It's a bee.
How about the first one? The first insect?
It's a
It's a
ladybug.
ladybug. Now come here. Let's see the real insect over here.
That bee is so big.
Say dragonfly.
A dragon.
Ay, yung favorite mo, praying mantis. Madulas ng sapatos ko.
It's alive. Look at the
Or madulas
superworm.
talaga.
You want to hold the superworm?
No, I don't want.
You don't want? How about kuya? You want? Sid.
No.
Can I eat that? Sid? Ay, this. Buhay ba to?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Just touch it. Touch it. Kuya, come here, oh. Just hold
It's okay.
superworm.
It's not gonna
I
bite.
don't like it.
It's not
Mabait
gonna
yan,
bite
mabait.
you. Touch mo, touch
You
mo.
want to
Sid.
try,
Touch
Sid?
mo.
Galing ni Nathan, oh. Diba sino?
Mabait yan,
Oh,
Sid.
let's put it on your hand. Like this. Ganun ka.
It's okay. Mabait yan.
Mabait
Huwag
yan.
bibitawan ha. Mabait yan, hindi yan kalaban.
The wolf has feet.
Opo. How about the cockroach? You want to
Careful
hold the
ha,
cockroach?
careful sa ano. Uy, marami.
Sorry, worm. Here, Sid. Here.
Na double P.
Oh my gulay.
Ano,
That's your
ma'am, yung
favorite.
scorpion kaso natibok po siya.
Dito naman po.
Ipis ayoko.
Ay! Nahulog.
Para ito yung mga ipis na ano eh.
Buhay yan?
Buhay yung ipis. Yung mga malalaki ping.
Ito po yung Madagascar po.
Ah, ay, hindi ko makita. Ay.
Oh. Kuya, look, oh.
Sid, oh, look. Big cockroach.
Ayoko niyan.
So big.
Sa Madagascar.
Hawak mo na.
Ayoko. You want to touch it like this?
O, touch mo lang yung
Ito
top.
po yung isa sa mga variety ng mga cockroach, ma'am,
Sino?
na hindi naman po siya totally ganun kadumi. Kasi pag nilalagay po sila sa mga maduduming areas, nasusuffocate po sila, namamatay po sila. Tapos wala po siyang wings.
Dali, lagay mo.
Malinis
Ito po yung mostly pinapakain po sa mga tarantula.
Lagay mo sa hands mo.
Ay, very good naman.
Tapong ni Sid.
Oo, oh, may tapos. Ay! One more.
Careful lang.
It tickles.
Okay. Oh, dyan na lang
Mabait.
sa'yo na lang yan.
Sa'yo na lang
Gawin
yan.
mo na. Gawin mo
Gawin mo
pet.
na.
Gusto mo gawin pet yan?
Show it.
Sid?
Sige,
Okay.
bigay mo na. Let's put it
Thank you.
Tapong ni Sid.
Look, oh, the beetle. Oh, there. Oh.
And there's a beetle.
Beetle.
You want picture there with the big giant, giant bee? Big na nga, giant pa. Let's take a picture with the giant bee.
Sid, Sid. Where are you going? Nakita niya yung praying mantis eh. Sid, take a picture with the praying mantis. Doon ka sa gilid. 1, 2. Smile. Smile. Smile.
That's me.
Do sa ano, Zed? Let's take a picture there.
Hey, dito muna.
Doon, no, sa B.
Sabi muna. Mamaya.
It's a snail.
Picture tayo sa B. Kunin mo. Zed, ala. Hulo. Big snail. Doon muna tayo sa B, anak. Let's go. Dito. Sa B. Let's go. Ayan na yung B. Ang ganda.
Ito ma'am, lahat po kayo mga picture po tayo.
Ito na lang. Ay, Sid. Sid, dito tayo. Let's go. Let's go, Sid. Sid. Dito, picture tayo. Picture with the B. Come on. Dito tayo. Smile. Smile. Back kayo. Tara.
Say dito. Opo.
Sid, wait for us. Wait for us po. Asan sila, Tiging? Ha? Ay, nandun na? Sid, here, oh. Ganda, oh. Let's go there.
Side, take a picture there also.
Wow, ang ganda.
Go there.
Tito,
You go there with mommy and daddy. Careful. Careful.
Oh, wait lang, Sid.
Uy. Lamok.
That's right.
This one. It's A. Oh, this one.
On the left, Sid.
A giant centipede. How about this one? What do you call this one? This one, what do you call that one? Mushroom. Very good. Yeah, centipede. How about this one? After caterpillar. After caterpillar, it turns to... No. After caterpillar, it turns to... Butterfly. Very good. How about this one? How about this one? The bugs. Very good.
And this is Lado Blake. See?
Said careful.
Oh, ito, ay ba naman?
It's a grasshopper.
No?
No.
Locust.
Locust.
What's that? A butterfly.
Wow, anong butterfly yan, Sid? Monarch butterfly. Car na orange. Kasi di ba may car na blue? Ayun, Sid, yung car na blue. Carner.
What's this?
Botanical garden. May mga insect din dyan.
How about that one? That's the... That one, that's the... Final orange.
What's that?
What's that? What kind of insect? And then the bigger one. See? Scorpion.
I need to go to the other.
Saan punta? Uy! Sid, not there. Wala dyan. Garden lang to. Garden. Let's go there na. Walang butterfly dito. Nak, let's go na. Ikot daw tayo, ikot daw. Pwede doon? Ah, okay. Meron daan doon. Are you enjoying, Sid? Aray ko, madulas. Madulas lang. Aray, nasabit pa yung buhok ko. Sa mga baging-baging. Okay, spiderweb sa mukha ko. Nalagyan ng spiderweb yung mukha ko.
Ay, sila yung...
May mga spiderweb pa na ano yung mukha ko. Ang daming ano. Wow! Telephone booth.
Let's go inside. You want to hold the telephone? Or you call daddy? Pretend that you're calling daddy.
Kuya!
Hi, daddy.
Look at the top of the egg. The
That's
top.
Clark.
Look at the top.
Oh.
A spider.
It's a spider.
What is it doing up there? Hey! Are you okay up there?
Go inside.
No.
Take a picture lang.
Are you...
Hello, Maxine.
Ah! Ah! You sound like an animal.
Madulas
Are you ready to see the dancing insect?
Sid!
Seth, come here. Let's go to the dance.
Yung show na, you want to see the show?
Di ba kabisado niyo yung ano nila? Okay, come here. You can dance.
Saan pupunta to?
Tumakbo.
Titignan yung mga picture. Yes, Bugs Fly show. Bugs Fly pala, Bugs Fly sabi ko. Ang ganda naman ng mga ano.
You can dance with the master.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Pwede mag-dance mama yung mga bata.
Okay po, thank you. Oo, pumasok si Seth. May electric pa.
Dali, dali.
Seth, come here.
Ladies, the colony heads down into the
Seth, come
hunter,
here.
intent to wait for the grasshoppers to eat the offering and leave. Unfortunately, Fate is the last one to put his items on the offering stone and ends up causing the platform to go up with his piece of machinery.
Say hi.
When the grasshopper finally arrived in trouble, Fate set off the next day to head for the big city. Eventually,
Ayun na, Seth. Say hi, Tim. You wave your hand.
oh, I'm so sleepy. Oh, there's a lot of people in here.
Electric pan nga ni Seth. Yarap mo dito, par. Nakakabit naman dyan. Ay, susan na.
I'm Granddaughter Pilar. I'm born from Madrid.
Parang tabing ida.
Being a beautiful
Yung banda dun hindi naka-snap.
Welcome to Boys Life Show. And this is a trick or treat.
Ilayin mo na lang ganun.
You're so sweet, my friend. But where is Flint? Where is Atom?
Hello? Please welcome.
Sa matanda to? Pwede? Meron ding oil dyan. Hindi ko yata sa bag.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hello, everyone. How are you?
I hope you're doing fine. We're happy to see you.
Hello, everyone.
Iyayin mo siya, iyayin mo. Ay, squeeze dyan. Dirty anak. Doon ka sa atin makinig.
Paparazzi. The paparazzi. Smack the paparazzi, not the paparazzi. Smack the paparazzi, not the paparazzi. Smack the paparazzi. The paparazzi. Smack the paparazzi. The paparazzi. Smack the paparazzi, not the paparazzi. Smack the paparazzi, not the paparazzi.
Naiwan ako! Wait for me! Let's go! Dinosaur Island naman! Ang galing! Maganda!
Maganda si Insiglandia.